Hello, I'm Kelly, if you don't already know who I am. But I wanted to come on and explain some of the income opportunities that you can get through Luminess Beauty. So, I do have my notes. This is our comp plan. So I think this is an amazing comp plan actually. I've seen a lot of them in previous companies that I've been with, and they're all pretty good, but this one I have to say kind of takes the whole cake. To start with, you earn 20 to 40% commissions on the products that you purchase for yourself. So in other words, if you purchase products for yourself, you'll get the discount up front, but when you sell the products to your friends, family, and to your customers, you will get paid 20 to 40% based on how much you have already purchased for the month or already sold for the month. So there's 3 ways to earn. You can sell, just like I said, you can earn up to 40%. It's kind of spread out by tiers as to how much you get. When you have 0 to 400 in monthly sales, you get 20% commission. 401 to 1,200, you get 25% commission. 1,201 to 2,400, you get 30%. 2,401 to 3,200, you get 35%. And the big one is 3,201 and up, you get 40%. So no matter what you're at, you're always earning commission. Another way to earn income with Luminous Beauty is to build. When you sponsor others and they also sell, when they get to 400, that's considered active. So you will earn on your team members based on whatever title you are at. You'll earn percentages. So we earn anywhere between 5% and 8% on people that we sponsor. Of course, in order to get paid on those people, you also have to be active, which is active is considered 400. There's no what we call PV. If you've been in previous direct sales, PV is something you hear a lot of, product value or point value. We don't have PV. It's straight retail. Nothing confusing. It's pretty down and dirty. All we go by is retail. So whatever retail you have, that's what you're going by. Another way to earn income is promoting. So one of the biggest and best things that's part of our compensation plan is our bonuses. So whenever you hit director, which I have to say is very attainable to hit, you only have to have 4 active frontline, which means 4 active people that you personally sponsored, and 15,000 in sales, which I know it sounds like a lot, but it's not. It's totally doable. I have 2 people on my team right now. 2, me and another person. We already have 5,000 in sales. But when you hit director, you start earning a monthly bonus. That's right, it's monthly. So you don't just get paid the bonus the first time you hit that title. You get a monthly bonus of $1,000 plus your commission that you earn off your sales and your normal commission that you would get from your team. The bonuses, okay, listen to this. The monthly bonuses go all the way up to $15,000. So our top director, which is legacy director, I'm not even sure if anyone's even hit that yet because we're still so small. But the top director position earns 15,000, 15,000, 15,000 a month plus her normal commission and her team commission. So just to get down and dirty, there you go. I wanted to keep this under 5 minutes. If you have any questions, let me know, and I can actually send you a copy of the compensation plan so you can look at it for yourself. Have a great one. Bye.